Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge with me, and today we are going to take a look at the Cypher OS 3.6 for the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. So this ROM can also be called as the AOSCP ROM, so Android Open Source Cypher Project. And right, today we are going to take a look at this ROM, how it looks on the Galaxy S7 Edge, what things are working, what are the bugs, what are the main features, and yeah, let's start now. Alright, let's go to the home screen here. You can see that you got this pixel launcher, so this is not the modified one. You cannot see that you only get the rotation option here, you don't get any other options. So this is the Google the stock pixel launcher, which is really nice. We thought that after our icon, so you get this pixel launcher with it. This is something which is nice. And something different which is nice is that you haven't got that many bugs in this ROM. So the camera's working. I'm not quite sure about the fingerprint. I don't think that the fingerprint is working on this ROM till now. And yeah, the Wi-Fi hotspot is also not working, as I know. So these are the only two bugs. So the Wi-Fi hotspot is not working, and the fingerprint scanner is also not working. But all other things are working. As you can see, the camera is also working. You can see my face right now. Right. Let's move on to the features of this ROM now. So right, you can see that you got this pixel style notification panel here with this dark background and this blue accent color of this brightness slider here. But if you go into the edit option here, you can see that you got this data saver, ambient display, and all other toggles which you usually don't get on minimalistic ROMs, for example slim ROM. So you get more toggles than other ROMs here, which is nice. But now let's move into the settings here, because they are the main features of Cypher OS. As you can see, the settings app is also quite similar to the Pixel one. You can see that you got this dark background and this blue accent color again. Right, of course you get standard stuff like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM cards and all that. In the display option, of course, you still have this display size thing, which is a really great feature of Nougat. You can see you can make the whole screen bigger, you can make the icons bigger, you can make everything bigger and smaller. This is something which is really nice on Nougat. And right, but now let's move into the additions option, because there are the main features of Cypher OS. Now let's get in there. Oops. You can see that you got three under categories, three sub menus. Let's start with the system here. You can see that you can change the screenshot type. So I have enabled partial here, so you can select an area where you want to take the screenshot. So if you press the screenshot buttons here, you can select an area here and it will be saved as your screenshot, which is really nice to have. But you can also change it to normal to take the whole screen here. Right, of course you can change enable or disable the scrolling cache, and you can change the power menu options here. And I liked to have the screenshot here. You can see you have the screenshot here, and you can directly take a screenshot from the notification from the power menu if you enable it. You can also enable airplane mode, search, voice search, sound panel, and you can see that the power menu now has more options. But now let's go back, and now let's go back to the status bar option here. Now here you have standard stuff which you also get on ROMs like Resurrection Remix or I don't know. So you can enable or disable the quick pull down here. You can see now the quick pull down is turned off. But the thing is, now on this ROM you have also something called always. So on both sides the quick pull down will always be activated. You can see on the right side quick pull down is activated, and on the left side it's activated also. That's something which is nice to have, because other ROMs don't have this option. And you can also enable expanded notifications. You can change hide or not hide the icons on the right corner of the status bar. You can change the position of the clock and all that other options you get on all other ROMs. So yeah, now let's go back in the option here called quick settings. You can see that you can enable or disable the brightness slider in the quick settings menu here in the notification panel. You can see now it's activated. You can disable it and you will get an empty area there, which does not look that nice in my opinion. So let's activate it. And you can also enable Wi-Fi on tap, data on tap, Bluetooth on tap, and all that on tap options. So if you go into the Wi-Fi toggle here, you can directly choose your Wi-Fi from here. But if you enable Wi-Fi on tap, it will only turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi. You won't be able to select your Wi-Fi connection. So if you don't want to see this sub-menu here, this Wi-Fi sub-menu here, you can basically disable it from here, which is nice. And right, this is basically everything you get on this ROM. The memory usage is also really minimalistic on this ROM here. So on other AOSP based ROMs it was almost always over 50%, and then this one hasn't got even a 40%, which is really nice. And yeah, let's move on now. The battery seems also to be very good. I got like 6 hours of screen on time, which is really amazing for an AOSP ROM. And yeah, this is pretty much it. As you can see, this is based on Android 7.1.1, Android Nougat, the final release. And right, so this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out. Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I have some Skills S7 Edge with me, and today we are going to take a look at the Cypher OS, or how is it called? Yeah. So this ROM can also be called as the AOSP. Oh god.